welcome Chris Bernardo.
Sa langit mong bagaw, may dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang pinamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagsininig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng Diyos, hatid pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Niligaya dapat may magapit ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat! At mga Pilipino sa buong mundo, Dubai World Trade Center in the heart of the Middle East, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Allah Sports Promotions International, and ABS-CBN Sports and TFC, the Filipino channel, proudly present the #1 boxing show in the Philippines and all of Asia, Pinoy Pride 27, the Duel in Dubai. This championship bout has been sanctioned by the World Boxing Organization, President Francisco Pacquiao herself, Supervisor in charge, Leon Pancilio, timekeeper, 12 rounds for the WBO Intercontinental Super Bantamweight Championship. Now, let's meet the fighters. Firstly, fighting out of the blue corner to my left, tonight, wearing the black, white, and yellow. He weighed in at 122 pounds. Fight record: 22 wins, 4 losses, 2 draws, and victories by knockout. He hails from Tampico, Tamaulipas, Mexico. Here is the challenger, Jose Matador Cabrera. And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent fighting out of the red corner tonight, wearing the black, the white and black and red of the Allah Boxing stable. He weighed in at 121.5 pounds. Fight record: impressive, has yet to taste defeat, 24 wins, no losses. Dan Lance, Top Dawson. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 12 rounds. Here's referee Top Dawson with the instructions.
Okay, one minute, that's close.
Haba,